Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey of self-discovery and hair revitalization with Hair Luminance. Within the pages of this groundbreaking ebook, you'll discover an unparalleled collection of meticulously curated recipes and expert guidance poised to invigorate your hair from the inside out. Feel a surge of anticipation and excitement as you delve into this comprehensive compendium of hair care knowledge. With Hair Luminance as your trusted ally, embrace the opportunity to explore innovative ingredients and techniques that will revolutionize your hair care routine. Feel empowered as you take the reins of your hair's destiny, knowing that each stride forward brings you closer to the lush, vibrant hair you've always envisioned. Allow the wisdom of Hair Luminance to inspire you to adopt a holistic approach to hair health. With each page turn, cultivate a deeper connection to your hair and a newfound appreciation for the transformative power of natural remedies. Place your faith in the transformative prowess of Hair Luminance to redefine your hair's potential and unveil its inherent beauty. With unwavering resolve and perseverance, witness the remarkable evolution of your hair into a radiant manifestation of your inner vitality. Let Hair Luminance guide you on your quest for hair perfection.